Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to delete photo in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to delete photo in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to delete photo one by one, step by step we will talk about. Friends, first of all open your Nokia keypad mobile gallery. We will on gallery. After turn on gallery, friends, you can see this type interface in your Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, in Nokia keypad mobile you want to delete photo. So how to delete photo? First of all guys, select your photo, open your photo. So friends, we will open Nokia keypad mobile photo. After on photo, friends, left key, this button, tap here. Share option, you can use edit option. If you click here, you can edit your video. Example, brightness. Open your brightness setting. Right side you can increase your photo brightness, left side you can decrease your photo brightness. Apply, you can use. Second, as you can see, contrast. And third, rotate setting. You want to rotate your photo, you want to change your photo, so you can change. Effect setting, you want to add any effects on your photo, so you can add effects on your photo. If you click here crop option, so friends, you can see portrait, square and landscape. You can edit your photo like that. So friends, again click here left button, delete, select, delete photo, ok option, photo will delete. Again click here delete option, photo will delete in your Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, if you click here delete item, so you can select your photo one by one. You can select and you can delete photo in Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, you can select photo. After select photo, friends, you can see right side this button, click here, delete 7 photo at one time, ok option. 7 photo will delete in your Nokia keypad mobile. And you want to take photo, so friends, open your phone camera, photo, press ok button, and you can click photo in your Nokia keypad mobile. And if you're on gallery, so friends, you can check photo will show here. Open your photo, you want to edit, you can share, delete, edit option, set as lock screen. If you click here, your wallpaper will set. Rename, you can rename your video. Also friends, you can rename your photo. And if you click here details, so friends, you can check your photo detail. Delete, select, delete, photo will delete. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to delete photo in Nokia keypad mobile. Bye.